Shopify POS on desktop. What you need to know: are you looking to set up Shopify point of sale on a desktop? Well, you'll be glad to know that it is possible. However, though you can access the back end of Shopify and make use of many functions, including inventory functionality, you cannot actually use Shopify on a computer as the point of sale terminal. To operate as a point of sale terminal, an Android or Apple device is required. So let's take a closer look at what this means for store owners. This limitation may seem inconvenient, but it doesn't need to be a deal breaker if your store is primarily online or uses other tech-driven solutions such as mobile point-of-sale systems. That being said, if you do plan on running an in-store physical location where customers visit directly, then having an Android or Apple tablet device available is essential in order to process transactions efficiently. Click the link below to speak to an expert and learn more about moving to Shopify POS. Fortunately, both Android and Apple devices come with several advantages that make them ideal for processing payments using Shopify POS. The most notable advantage is that these devices are consumer-friendly, which means customers can interact with them easily and efficiently without any prior knowledge or experience. Additionally, they are highly secure, which helps protect customer data from potential cyber threats and data breaches. Finally, Android and Apple devices have excellent battery life and power options, which ensure that your store won't have to worry about its payment solution running out of juice mid-transaction. The benefits of using a mobile device for POS comes with several benefits over using traditional desktop computers for processing payments. The most obvious benefit is their portability, which allows store owners to accept payments anywhere, even at events or trade shows outside their physical location. Additionally, mobile devices are much more user-friendly than desktops because they feature large touchscreens and intuitive interfaces, which makes them easy to navigate regardless of age or technical experience level. Finally, they offer advanced security features like biometric authentication, which help protect critical customer data from potential cyber threats and data breaches. In conclusion, while it might not be possible to use Shopify POS on a desktop computer, there are still plenty of other options available that will allow you to accept payments securely and efficiently, such as using an Android or Apple device. These devices come with several benefits such as portability, user-friendliness, and advanced security features, making them the perfect choice for businesses looking for a reliable payment system solution. With these tips in mind, store owners can rest assured that their business has the best possible setup available when it comes time to process payments using Shopify POS. Click the link below to speak to a Shopify POS expert.